Hello, teacher. Hello.
Hi!
Hello.
Hi, Yunwo. I'm very happy to see you. How are you, Yunwo?
I'm very
Oh, you're
cool.
very, very good, but I can't see you. Oh, there you go. So last week it's your vacation, right? Last week? What did you do? What did you do during your vacation?
Go to the 운정.
Oh, where's that? Is that a pretty place?
Yes.
Oh, that's amazing. Thanks for sharing. Do you know what I did last week during my vacation? You can ask Teacher Anna. Teacher, what did you do?
Teacher, what did you do? Vacation.
Yeah, on your vacation. Can you say it? Teacher, what did you do on your vacation?
Teacher, what did you do
On
on your
your vacation. Okay, so do you want to know? I went to the movie theater and watched a movie. Yes, it's a very pretty movie. And then after that, I eat samgyeopsal. Yeah, I eat samgyeopsal with my friends, and it's very yummy. So now let's go and start our class. Are you ready? Yunwo?
Yes.
We will have a new lesson for tonight, and it's all about green energy is good energy.
Green energy is good
So
energy.
we will talk about where can we get good or green energy. So we will start with these words. What is the first word here? Can you help me?
Electricity.
Okay, don't
Elect.
touch this one, okay? Don't touch it. You will be electrified when you touch wires like this. So this is where we get electricity, okay? It is a kind of energy that make things work. Like your phone, you need to charge your phone, you use electricity. You need to use your refrigerator. You need electricity too. Do you think electricity is important? Do you think electricity is important?
No.
Oh,
No, yes.
it's not important?
Yeah, I know, no, no, no. Yes, yes.
It is important. Can you say electricity is important?
Electricity is important.
I can see the light inside your room. Okay? The light in your room, it uses electricity. Okay? So electricity is very important. Without it, televisions won't work, your computer won't work, your tablet won't work. How about here? What's next?
National,
Natural.
natural,
So when we say natural, what is natural?
not made by people.
So natural is what we see in the forest. The trees, the flowers, the mountains, rivers. So these are all natural. People did not make it. Okay? Unlike the trains, the buildings, what else? The cars, those are not natural because people made it. Okay? So let's
Okay,
play a game. You tell me if it's natural or not natural. Okay? How about
okay.
this one? Swimming pool. Is this natural or not natural?
Not natural.
Not natural. How about this one? Uh, how about the sharks in the ocean? Is it natural or unnatural? Okay, it's natural. Very good. So you know the difference between the two. How about here? What's this?
Control.
Control. Control means
To make something do what you want.
Yes, like this one. The man is controlling the puppet. Control means you want something to follow what you want. Okay? If you want your puppet to jump, you can make it jump. If you want your puppet to dance, you can make it dance. So let's look at some examples of puppets. Okay?
Okay,
Okay. So you can see here, these are all examples of puppets. Okay?
okay,
Oh, this one, you can make them talk, you can make them dance, or this one also, you can see this one, you can make it dance. Oh, this one, I want to show you. So you can, this is your hand, and then you can make the puppet jump and talk and sing. Okay, this is very cool and fun. So control means you will make things do some movements that you want. Okay? So
okay.
you can say, I can control the puppet. Can you say it?
I can control the puppet.
Very good. That is amazing. Now I want you to try something here. Okay?
Okay,
Okay, let's try. Oh, let's go back to your book. Okay, so our next word is
machine,
machine, not machine. It's machine.
machine.
Very good. What is a machine, you know?
Something with moving parts that use energy to work.
Okay, something with moving parts that uses energy to work. So, for example, this one, a computer. Okay, it's a kind of machine. And you need energy to make it work. You need electricity to make the computer work. Also, the washing machine. Do you have washing machine at home? You know?
Mm,
Do you have washing
no,
machine?
no.
Oh, you use that to clean your clothes. Like this one. Do you have washing machine at home? You know? Do you have washing machine at home?
Yes,
Yes, you use this to clean your clothes. This is another example of a machine. Okay?
yes. Okay.
Also, the next one we have, for example, a blender. Do you know what's a blender? Let's say fruit blender. This one. Do you have blender at home?
Yes.
Yes, this is also a kind of machine because we need electricity, energy to make it work, and then it will spin inside and it will cut the fruits using the blades inside. This one. So the energy makes this spin and cut the fruits into tiny pieces. Now let's go here. Now we are done with machine. We still have two words here. What's next? We have
Flat.
flat. So what is flat? Can you read it for me?
Having a wide, smooth surface.
Okay, flat, having a wide, smooth surface. So you can see here, a wood stump, it's flat. When you cut it, it will make a flat surface like this. Also, my phone. My phone, can you look at my phone? You know, look,
Yes.
my phone is flat. Okay, you can see my phone is flat. Also,
My
my
name,
tablet is flat too. My table is flat. Do you have something flat inside your room?
teacher.
Yes?
I'm sorry, wait please.
Okay, okay.
Teacher, hello?
Hello? Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, so let's continue. So we're talking about things that are flat. Okay? So
Yes.
can you show me
Yes.
something that is flat?
Huh?
Can you show me something that is flat? Look, for example,
Black?
I'll go get my notebook.
Mm,
Look, my notebook is flat. This is my coloring book. Can you see? Oh no, you can't see it. Let me.
mm,
Okay, this one, it's flat. Can you show me something
mm,
that is flat? Do you have something that is flat inside your room?
wait. This?
Yes, your phone is flat. Your phone
Yes.
screen is flat. Oh, you're holding Mr. Dog? Mr. Dog is like he's sleeping. Okay, now let's go to the next word. What's our next word? You know,
Crate.
crate. Crate means to make things. Like here, you can see the kids are making robots. Okay? So to make means to create. Okay? If you want to make a robot, you need to create it. So we're done with the words. Now we will have a review test about the words. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, number one, you need to help me spell these words. What's the first
Black.
word here?
Black.
Next is flat. Can you spell it for me? Can you write it using your pen?
Okay.
Okay. How about number
Mm,
two?
mm, mm. Interesting.
Number two is, do you know what is number two?
Yeah.
What is number two?
Mm,
Control.
control.
Okay, can you please help me write it? Okay, there you go. Do you need help?
Ah.
Okay, very good. Control. Good job. How about number three? What is this?
Medic.
Machine.
Machine.
Can you spell it? Machine. Is that letter U? We don't have letter U there. It should be letter A. This one, right?
Okay.
You are missing one letter here. Letter E here.
Machine.
Okay, yes. Okay, again, let's read
Machine.
number one. Yes, very good. Machine. Number one, can you read number one?
Black.
Number two?
Control.
Number three?
Machine.
Very good. Machine. How about we
Machine.
go here? We need to look for the correct words for these meanings. Number one, can you read number one?
A kind of energy to make things work. Electricity.
Electricity. Very good. How about number two?
To make something great.
Create. Okay. Good word. Number three,
Not made by people. Natural.
not made by people. We call that natural. Okay, we are done with these words. That's very quick. Now let's try this one. Please choose the correct words for these sentences. Let's complete the sentences. Number one,
I use block to Breed little horses. Crate.
What's your answer?
A crate.
Create. Okay. I'll let you write the word. Okay. How about number two?
Mm, when you turn on the light, you are using electricity.
Electricity. Very good. Can you write it too? That is correct. Let's write electricity. Okay, the word is too long. Okay, you did nice. Thank you very much. Now it's time to read our story together, okay? Let's talk about good energy. Let's read. Green
Green,
energy.
green energy is good energy.
Okay. How about here? Let's read. Everybody
Everybody use electricity. It makes our
lives
easier, lives
easier.
is easier, but
Mhm.
sometimes making electro electricity hurts the earth. But green energy does not. So what is green energy? Green
Okay, so
energy,
let's talk about this one first, okay? So
okay,
everybody uses electricity. We need electricity every day. Okay? Because it makes our life easier. You don't need to make fire anymore because there's light, a light bulb. You don't
yeah,
need to use fire, or you don't need to use ice cubes because you have the refrigerator to make your food cold and last long. So very important. It's very for important for us. So we will talk about the green energy. So let's find out what is green energy.
green energy comes from natural things like water, sunlight, and wind and
Wind.
wind. For example, moving water can make energy. People build dams in rivers. They control how water flows. The power of moving water makes electricity.
Okay.
The
So let's stop there. Okay. So the first way we can get green energy is from water. Okay. We can
okay,
get green energy from water. So how can we get energy like electricity from water? People build what we call,
and
it says dams, where in
river,
rivers. So let's look at this example. Actually, here, this is an example. Okay, this is a dam. So this makes electricity. The power of water going down here helps us make green energy or electricity from the dams. So how does that happen? They control how
they,
water.
they control how water flows.
Okay, and then the power of.
Power of moving water makes electricity.
Okay, so I have an example for you here so you can see, okay?
Okay,
Okay, so this is how they make electricity from the dam. I want to show you, okay?
okay,
So here, okay, so this is what happens. So this is the dam, the river. Okay, and this is the dam. It controls the water. Okay, and then the water makes this spin like a tornado. Okay, it makes
Ah,
this spin very, 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 very fast. This is a turbine. We call it a turbine. And then it charges the generator. Okay, it
okay,
gives energy to the generator, and then the generator will send the energy to the transformer, and then it will give us electricity. So that's how water can make green energy. This is the first green energy. Okay?
okay.
So we call this a green energy from water. So now let's go to the next one. Okay. Now, okay, so the other one, we next one is from the sun. Okay, we can also make electricity from the sun. How? Can you read this?
Sun is another kind of green energy. Special machines collect sunlight. They change it to
Electricity.
electricity.
Okay, so I have a question. How can sun give us energy? We have a
Machine
machine. What does the machine do? It
collect sunlight.
it collects sunlight from the sun. So how can that happen? We call that solar panels. Okay?
Okay,
So let's see. How can solar panels make electricity? So this is an example, okay?
okay,
So we can see here, you can let's look at the first example. So this is a solar panel. Can you see? This is the solar panel. It catches sunlight from the sun and then it converts it to energy. And then it supplies inside our
ah,
house. It makes the bulb light up and also, yes, it gives power to other houses too. It can give power to another room, to your garage, to your bathroom. So that's how solar electricity happens. Okay? Next
okay.
one, we can also get energy from wind. How can that happen?
Wind makes energy too. Big wind machines
Machines.
machines are put on mountains or flat land. Wind moves the machine the machines create electricity.
Okay, the machines create electricity. So that is what we can see. Oh, we don't have an example here. This is a solar panel, like what I showed you a while ago. So this is the one from wind. Okay? This one, they will spin and then they will give us electricity or energy, a green energy, another kind of energy. So these are what we call windmills. Okay?
Okay,
Let me show you how that works. Okay. So this is how wind energy works. So let me show you here. I want to show you this one, okay?
okay,
So this is the first one. The wind will make this spin and then the blades turn the generator shaft here, okay? And then it will transform the convert this energy to electricity, okay? And then we get electricity from it, okay?
okay,
Maybe I can show you a better picture. Um, Oh, this one. Can you see? I think this one is better. Oh, but it is very small. So you can see it charges this one. We have a turbine again. It will spin and then it will convert the energy to electricity. And then you got a light. So this is another kind of, what do we call this energy, Jim, Yunwao? What do we call this energy? Green. We call this
Green,
green energy.
green energy.
Okay, this is an example of a green energy. So we have three ways to get green energy from water, from sunlight, and from wind. Okay, so we will answer this one before we go, the yes or no quiz. Can you help me?
Can you the sun make energy? Yes.
Yes. How about number two?
Do people build dams to make wind energy? No.
No. They build dams to make water energy, not wind
Yes.
energy. Okay, that's amazing. We still have time. Maybe we can try and answer this one. Okay? What is the main idea of the story? What is the story all about?
This story is about there are different kinds of green energy.
Very good. That is amazing. So we don't have much time left. It's already time. We will continue with these questions next meeting. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. You did so nice tonight, Yunwo. Teacher Anna is very happy. This is for you. A lot of thumbs ups. Goodbye and have a great night. Okay? Bye bye,
Okay.
Yunwo. Goodbye.
Bye bye.